Hey you guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we're going to be unboxing the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar presented by Pixi. I want to first thank Pixi so much for sending this my way. They reached out to me on ShopMy, asked if I wanted to open this on camera. I said yes. That being said, if you are interested in this calendar, it runs for $40, which is on the reasonable side of advent calendars these days. And I'm going to have the link for it below. So if you're interested, you can click on that link. I think it's on pre-sale right now because it is pretty popular for this price. So anyway, all that information will be down in the description box. You can visit if you want. But we're going to be opening this baby today. There are 12 Pixi products in here. I think they're part of their Glow line or their most, famous line or whatever. Pixi is actually a pretty good brand and it's like drugstore prices, or what is drugstore prices nowadays? So I am actually really excited to see what we got. But first, I do want to talk about the box that the calendar came in because it's super, super cute. So it's in this cardboard box. This was inside another box, but it has Pixi on the back. There's a QR code right there. And this is like totally giftable because it says like address right there with this blank thing. I just thought it was so cute. And then when you open it up, there's the calendar, and then there's like all this like beautiful saying by Petra on it. I just think it's really, really well done, especially for $40. I mean, have you seen the Sephora calendars? So here she is. She's super pretty. It's like the typical Pixi colors of that mint green, pink. There's a beautiful ribbon right there. It does tell you what's in there on the back. So that's why that box is really good if you wanted to gift this. So let's go ahead and untie the ribbon and also cut this little piece of tape. All right, she opens like this. How pretty. Oh, it's like little makeup thingies. Oh, it's so cute. So it's like little shelves of different Pixi products. And here's all of your days. They're numbered in like a gold foil. Let's go ahead and just start with number one. It's like one of the biggest numbers. Oh, we got some eye patches right here. This is the Pixi Dreamy Eye with Jasmine and Vitamin A. So this is the Dreamy Eye Patch, one pair. It smooths, soothes, and rejuvenates tired-looking eyes. There is one pair of replenishing PM patches in this pack. I actually had a lot of Pixi eye packs before, so I'm excited to have this little one pack to try out the Dreamy Eyes kind. Day number 2 is up here. Isn't it funny how people open these things? They're like, look at that. So we've got the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. It's like a little tiny one. I love me a cleansing gel. This is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. It is 15 milliliters, gently deep cleanses, leaving skin soft, fresh, and glowing. It's an exfoliating cleanser. I think it's adorable, and I think this is really good for travel. So this is really a good one. Let's go with day number 3. I like how easy these are to open. That is a bonus. Look, it's one of the little On The Glow blushes. Ah, this is so adorable. This is one of their like little mini On The Glow blush sticks that looks like it's in the shade Ruby. On The Glow Blush Ruby, 10 grams, adds a healthy, dewy glow to cheeks anytime, anywhere. Wow, I hear really good things about these, so I'm really excited to try this. Oh my gosh, the packaging is just adorable. I feel like the packaging on these things for being so tiny are so cute. Let's open day number 4. It is a long one. Ooh, it is the Pixi Brow Tamer. Pixi Brow Tamer, 4.5 ml, shapes, tames, and sets brows for a polished, effortless look. This is just a clear brow gel. Listen, I'm totally into it. Need it, will use it. Day number 5 is another big one. It's probably another like patch set, I would think. Ooh, it's a lip patch. It's a little vitamin C lip patch. There's one patch in this pack. It smooths, plumps, and brightens lips in minutes. I have actually never tried a lip patch, so I am pretty excited to try this one out. And if it's as good as the eye patches, I'm sold. Day 6. Oh, okay, we got some Flawless Poreless Primer. I'm into this. Flawless and Poreless Primer, 12 ml. Instantly mattifies, refines, and controls shine for a smooth base. Yes, ma'am. I will definitely try it. Thank you very much. Day number 7 is this teeny itty little one over here. Look. I mean, I know these are small, but the packaging is super cute. This is a lip treat, so like a tinted lip balm, and it's in the shade Scarlet. Pixi Hydra Lip Treat, Scarlet, 2 grams. Cushiony care to hydrate and pamper lips in extra need of love. Ooh, that is just super nice. Can't wait to try that. I love me a lip balm. Day 8. This looks exciting. It is an antioxidant tonic. Thought it would be a toner. This is cute again. Pixi Antioxidant Tonic, 40 ml. Refreshes, protects, and revitalizes skin with an antioxidant boost. So it's like a serum, preserving serum toner. Oh, it is kind of like a toner, but it's a serum toner. Listen, I'm into it. I love skincare. I love toners. I love serums. So this is a win for me. Day 9. Oh man, I fucked this up. it's still cute. Oh, we got another little primer. This is the Flawless Beauty Primer Hydrating Glow Primer. Pixi Flawless Beauty Primer, 12 ml, blurs imperfections and preps skin for a glowing, flawless finish. Not necessarily into the glowy finish, if you know what I'm saying, this girl with oily skin, but I can probably find somebody that would really, really like this, and I think the packaging is adorable, so that is still super cute. Day 10. Oh, it's another cute little lippy. Pixi Lip Tone. This is one of those pH ones. This is in the shade Snow Pearl, 5 ml. Combines a pretty tint with a nourishing care in one swipe. Not really into the pH thing, but because it's like gimmicky, you know, but love me a little tint, love me a little balm. I am definitely going to try it out, and it is just super cute. Like, I'm really into this. Christmas Eve, if you're doing the 12-day thing, this is number 11. Oh, it's another eye set. Like, look how nice these all look in here. Like, it's all color-coded. It's just really nice. This is the Pixi Detoxify, get it? Caffeine and Cucumber Eye Patches. Detoxify Eye Patch, 1 pair, reduces puffiness, leaving under eyes bright and refreshed. That is all me. Look at these things. I am very happy to have this. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I had like the, 30, 60 pack or whatever. And I would use it like in the morning after I got out of the shower. So really excited to have another pair of them. God, this thing is actually pretty sturdy for, just having these cardboard doors. I feel like they could have, I don't know. It's like hefty. It's Christmas Day. It's day 12 of the 12 icons of Pixi Advent Calendar. And, oh, we got a setting spray. What a nice way to round this out. And it's like a really cute size too. The Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, it is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce, decent size. Locks in makeup with a light hydrating finish for long lasting wear. I love it. The hydrating thing, it could help, but I don't know. I'm still going to use it. I think it's adorable. That is everything that was included in this 12 days of Pixi icons. Honestly, I think we got a really good mix for 40 bucks. You've got a lot of skincare, but you've got like some makeup-y items too, because not only did you get like the blush and then the lip tint and the brow tamer, you got things like primers and then setting mists. I just think it's a really good like array of products. Honestly, a really good gift for like pretty much anybody because it's almost a full routine of like anything that you could use. You got the eye patches for self-care. You've got the lip patches. You got all the lip treats. You've got some serums, you've got some toners. I mean, like, it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, but let me know down below what you thought of this Pixi 12 Days of Icons Advent Calendar. And that's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really helps me out. Comment down below on, again, what you thought of the calendar, or if you found a different Advent calendar around the $40 price that you really, really liked. And if you could subscribe! We like to have a lot of fun around here. I mean, kinda. I like cried in my last video. Anyway, if you could subscribe, that would be awesome. Support your girl. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you on the next one.